Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products.
My name is Tumelo Ratala. I'm the founder of Senwabarwana Pavements and Copy Shop. It's a pavement installation company and copy shop based in Bochum Township. Basically, what we do is that we provide pavement installation services to households, schools, and all other locations that you can think of. At the office, we have a small internet cafe that we help students with applying for varsities and other printing works. The experience on the stage was I was a bit nervous, but once you go in there, I think everyone is friendly, and it was just a good experience. It was my first time I pitched in such a huge audience, so I think it was a good one. And just the 2 minutes was really short. And yeah, you can get hold of us on our website. It's www.pavecopy.co.za. On Facebook, we are Senwabarwana Pavements and Copy Shop. On Instagram, it's Senwabarwana Pavements, and on WhatsApp, it's 072-2968-399. But everything else is on the website, www.pavecopy.co.za.